We offer a few different pedestal options, but the way we think about it is less about listing products and more about matching the pedestals to the job. Some projects need a fixed pedestal. Others benefit from a retractable setup for cable management. And in some cases, there are site-specific requirements that call for a more customized solution. The common thread across all of our pedestals is that they're designed to be installer-friendly, durable, and flexible over time. We focus on things like universal compatibility, long-term serviceability, and making sure you're not locking yourself into one charger or configuration. So rather than pushing one pedestal for every situation, we look at how the site will be used, what charger is going in today, and what might be needed down the road. We also offer OEM solutions for EV charging manufacturers, and we can also design custom solutions. If you're not sure which option makes the most sense for your project or charger, that's usually the best place to start a conversation.